everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have two Poshmark purchases and as well as two pairs of shoes that I got from Nordstrom that I ordered on my own. All right, first up, I was telling in a couple videos ago about my Poshmark woes. So my one item that I put a bid on and she accepted, she never ever shipped. So after 7 days and me pinging her and still no response, I ended up canceling that. So I still never got my mother jeans. I did, however, finally get my level 99 joggers. That seller shipped immediately and I thought they were lost in the mail. So on a Sunday, I have finally said, all right, they must be lost. Before I put in a claim to Poshmark, I emailed my post office saying, I think you lost my package. The post office on a Sunday, within 15 minutes, calls me, my local post office, 15 minutes of me sending an email, and explained the situation to me, which I did not realize. I don't know if you were aware, but New Jersey got hit very hard by Hurricane Ida. And apparently the distribution center where my package was at, the roof caved in, employees were hurt, and it got flooded. So I was like, oh, okay, I am so sorry to hear that. I did not realize. And she said, you just need to be patient. So I said, is my item going to be damaged? She goes, I don't know, all right? It came, and it finally came in one piece. So I am thrilled. I have not tried it on yet. There are a pair of level 99 joggers, just like the other ones I got. So they got the jogger style bottom, the zip. The ones I got are midnight camo. I'm gonna come close so you can see this. This is like a black leopard print, like black on black, all right? So this is the kind of style that I'm looking for now. Like I could never wear these to the office, never in a million years. A jogger style, no way. And black embossed, no way. So like these are the types of things that I'm looking to wear now. They're soft, they're comfy, they're stretchy, and I can dress them up for date night as well too. I don't know why it is so hard for my styling boxes to find things like this for me, and I'm able to do it on my own. But I spent $40 for these on Poshmark, and they're new with tags. They originally, it looks like they were marked to $115. It looks like the person paid $55 and I paid $40 for them. So I'm pretty happy. Of course, I'll have to try them on, make sure they fit, but they're the same exact ones as the ones that I already have. So we'll give them a go. I'm pretty happy. Actually, maybe they're not the same exact ones. Well, maybe they are. I can't remember if I had this extra seaming detail on the ones that I have. So I'm pretty happy. $40 plus shipping. And I'll try those on for you. The next thing, I'm not so sure why I ordered. It was one of those late nights. I mean, it's cute. I like it. Do I need it? No. You should see how many sweaters I have. So this is Rails. I do like Rails as a name brand. I just do not like their prices. I really don't like their prices. This is a sweater. It's a thin sweater. It's chevron style, and it has it's a gray background, a light gray background, and it has the slate blue, navy blue, a light blue, and a pink. So I am a kind of a sucker for chevron style, and especially in pastels like this is, the light blue and the baby pink and the light gray. Totally me. I paid $43. It's new with tags, okay, and it does have a lot of wool in it, but it's soft. So let me read you the content here so you can get an idea. 50% wool, 16% alpaca, and 16. And that's all it says. How strange. It doesn't equal, 34% nylon. Okay, so 50% wool, 34% nylon, 16% alpaca. Super soft. Wool doesn't bother me, and this is a very, very soft sweater. So I'm happy with it. It is a crew style, which, I like crew. It's okay. I definitely prefer like a V or scoop neck, but this type of style in a crew neck does not bother me. And I will try it on for you. The last thing I need is another sweater. I don't know why I bought it, but I do like it. Next up, two pairs of shoes. So I've been looking for a pair of clogs, and I wore clogs when I was in 5th grade, and certain fashion styles I won't do again. It's like, I did that already, I'm not gonna do again. And other ones I'm embracing. And definitely the clogs I'm embracing, because first, I'm lazy, and I don't like to put on shoes. I like the clogs where I can just throw them on and kick them right off when I'm done. I love that style, all right? I like mules too, but clogs are definitely unique in comparison to mules due to the wooden sole. They're very, and they're also a much rounded toe as well. So when I was in 5th grade, I had clogs, and my mother was very strict about clothes. Like, I never had anything cool or in style or in fashion, and somehow I convinced her to let me have clogs, and I wore those clogs to death, to the point where there was like no wood left on them. I love those clogs. So when I saw clogs were coming back out, I'm like, yes, clogs! So I was so happy. And I had been eyeing a pair at Loft. And you know what happens? You snooze, you lose. So I was eyeing them, and I really liked the color, I liked the style, I liked the heel height. The one thing I didn't like was the construction. So around it, it almost looked like they had a staple gun and stapled it. It looked cheap to me. And they were only 60 bucks, but it looked cheap to me. So I was just like, oh, you know, maybe I can find better. I think I'd rather pay a little bit more. Then I changed my mind, went back to go get them, and oh, they're out of my size. They didn't have any of my size yet left. And even the reviews said to size up. There was nothing in the size up either. There were only smaller sizes left. So snooze to lose. You know, I know they also have the slingback style, but it kind of defeats the purpose of me being able to kick them off. I'm lazy that way. I want clogs I can slide and on and off. So I ordered these. I actually ordered 2 pairs of clogs from Nordstrom. I'm waiting for the second pair to come in, but I said, let me do a video now since I have these items and I have 2 pairs of shoes. So these are absolutely gorgeous. See how they have the grommets or rivets, whatever you want to call them, around here versus a staple. This is what I would prefer. They're considered a platform, and they're in brown, like a dark brown. And these are by Steve Madden. They're the Hildy Brown Suede, and they were like $120, so $119.95, I believe. These are adorable. They got the little buckle here. I love them. My only issue with them, that I tried them on already, they're a little teeny bit snug, but I think that they'll be fine. They'll stretch out. The only concern I have is I have a pair of brown boots, completely different style, I agree. But I would think I would want something maybe a lighter color to really differentiate, because I'd most likely be wearing this with like flared pants or bootleg pants, and you won't be able to, when you only see this part down, you won't be able to really realize it's a different shoe. So I actually ordered 2 pairs of clogs. I'm gonna wait for the other pair. I'm gonna see which one I like better. I'll do a comparison with you then too as well. But these are really nice and a definite contender, okay? The next pair of shoes, I'm not even gonna try on for you, are these. I definitely wanted a pair of ivory lug soles, and I'm kind of picky because I want the bottom, the heel, to be the same color as the actual shoe. I don't like the contrast of the black and the beige. I don't like that at all. I like the uniformity of the same color. And I'm looking for a heel, because you guys all know I like my heels. I don't just want a flat shoe. I want some sort of a heel. And I envision this and wearing this with a sweater dress. Well, I'm not going to try them on for you, because look how big this opening is. It took me forever to get my foot through this opening and get it in there. And once I got in there, it was squeezing my foot. And this is my normal size. And these, I believe, were also $120. And these are also by Steve Madden, right? Yes, Steve Madden as well. And they're the Haley boot in sand suede, okay? If these had fit, I would have kept them. This is exactly what I was looking for. These are really cute. I could not get my foot into them. They definitely run small, so size up if you decide you want them for yourself. So give me a minute. I'm going to style my purchases. Okay, first up I have the sweater, and I kept them on with the same jeans I have on. These are Pistola Moto jeans, skinny jeans that I got from a Stitch Fix. I like them. I paired this also with my navy blue booties, since there's navy blue in the sweater. All right, so it's kind of like a tonal gray on gray, and here are the booties. Okay, and this is probably how I'd wear it. And this is something I would definitely wear in my new lifestyle. A sweater, jeans, and booties. Sweater is super soft. Unfortunately, it is dry clean only. It was $43 for a wool sweater. It's by Rails, of all places, so you know it was expensive. And yeah, I like it. So here's the front of it. All right, here's the back of it. And as soon as the temperature dips into the 50s, I can start wearing this. This is a very thin sweater, okay? All right, next up I have the level 99 joggers. So I'm gonna figure out how to style those. Give me a minute. Okay, so up next are the level 99 joggers. These are different than the ones I have. These don't have nearly as much stretch as the midnight camo ones that I got from Every Eve, but they're still stretching them, and they still fit, and they're comfortable, and I think they fit me well. They are, I think, because they don't have as much stretch, they're not as looser fitting or, you know, easily to be stretched out. But I still think they fit, and I think this is, I would wear this during the day at my office, and then if I had to go to dinner afterwards, I wouldn't have to change. This would be my outfit. So if I'm going out on a Friday night, you know, this is comfortable for me to be at my desk working all day, and then appropriate to go to dinner. You know, like I said, I'm working from home. Nobody sees me. I'm not even on Zoom calls. So I'm pretty happy with these pants. Again, I paid $40 for these. The sweater was $43, these are $40. And I will go over $50 including shipping with Poshmark because I'm not a posher, I don't reposh, and I just don't want to take a chance with more than $50 of my money. So they have the two pockets here, there's some seaming detail here. It is black on black. I paired it with a like a cognac colored, like darker than a camel, but like a cognac colored sleeveless turtleneck. This I got years ago from J. Crew outlet. And I put on my leopard shoes. You're gonna have to let me know in the comments below whether the leopard shoes are too much with this outfit because it is leopard embossed. I kind of looked in the mirror and I thought it looked okay. I wasn't trying to be matchy-matchy with the leopard, but I wanted something with brown and black, and I wanted something that would show the cute little jogger style on the bottom, and this fit the bill. But if you think they clash too much with the pants, I will switch them out for something else. So let me show you the shoes and pan down the shoes so you can get a better idea a little bit closer. All right, so here are the pants and the shoes. The shoes I got from Stitch Fix. I really like them. I wish they would just send me items like this. You know, this to me is, like the shoes to me are a date night type of item. And by the way, they're very comfortable as far as heels go. So, you know, that's this outfit. Let me know what you think with the shoes with the pants. But the pants I'm very happy with, and they're a keeper. Okay, up next I'm going to style the clogs. Okay, last up I have on the clogs, which I'll pan down for you in a minute because I don't think you can see them. I have it paired with this top. It's a striped little thin sweater that I got from Ann Taylor last year, not Loft, but just regular Ann Taylor. And I have these mid to dark wash bootcut jeans from White House Block Market. Probably I got like 3 years ago, or 2.5 years ago, I should say. Love this outfit. Again, this is the type of outfit I wear during the week when I'm working, and I just don't like wearing sweats or loungewear when I'm actually at work. I want to feel put together, but I want to not wear like uncomfortable clothes, and to me this is comfortable. Jeans and a cute top, you know? So let me pan down for the shoes so you can see an idea what the clogs look like, all right? All right. So they have like the rivets, and they have a cute little belt buckle. Like them a lot. It's just a question, are they too similar? You know, I would wear them with this, or I'd also wear these boots with this outfit, all right? So let me do a side-by-side comparison. So these are darker, obviously, than these, and obviously they're a completely different style because they're a clog versus a boot. But I have another clog coming in, which might even look more different than these boots, so I may go with those. Those have like a lower heel, and I think there's Sherpa in them. I'm not sure. But once I get them in, I'll make a decision as to which clog I will keep, and I will show them to you. All right. Bring you up a little bit. Okay. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, why not? I do shopping hauls, unboxings, try-ons, and I might have something you want. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a trunk club coming up soon, and as I mentioned, I have a couple things coming in the mail that I'd like to share with you as well. Take care, and until next time.